Good morning, everybody. It is December 5th, 2022. And so those of you in the options room know, the options room and the small account mastery know I've been sending out a plan of attacks as far as zero DTE trades go for the days, but I thought it'd be a little bit easier to go ahead and make a little quick video. So that's what this is. Instead of typing it all up, just a quick video so you get a visual of what I'm looking at. All right, so if we're looking at today overall, um, the ES features right, we're in a channel down. We're right up here against resistance. The question is, are we going to break out and go higher, or are we going to consolidate, break out, or just kind of roll back over and at least maybe test the daily 50? Really don't know, but that is what I'm looking at, and you can't deny we're up against resistance, and we have failed breaking out so far. Now, as far as today goes, economic news, something worth noting today is ISM Services PMI come out about 30 minutes after the open. So that's something worth noting. I will not be placing a 0 days expiration trade until after this comes out. So you have 30 minutes after the open before placing this trade. So how am I looking at this? Since we are against resistance, I am looking for a pullback overall in the day. So I'm kind of leaning on just putting a call credit spread on. Now, as far as why? So we're against the resistance. This is that trend line. We kind of poke our head above, get back below, poke our head above, get back below. We are in an hourly squeeze that is shifting negative, right? We have our black dots, momentum shifting negative. So maybe that will start to push price lower as we are consolidating up here against resistance. And there's also a 2-hour squeeze as well that is pushing lower as well. So basically, long story short, we're against resistance, and price is starting to push a little bit lower, looking like it might want to at least pull back. See, 2-hour squeeze against resistance. So if I'm leaning bearishly, that's as of now. I'm waiting until the ISM numbers come out. What is my plan as far as 0 days to expiration trades go? I'm looking too many charts, so little time. Oh, sorry. I forgot I already put it over here. So I wouldn't have to do that. Okay, so here's my quick hits chart. Now, if you're familiar with the way I trade this, I only initiate trades that go from out here to here, or from out here to here, or vice versa. They could go from here to up here or down here. All I do is pick a direction, I know where I'm entering, and then I initiate a position. So with the squeezes going negative, against resistance, I am, like I said, leaning bearishly. Something worth noting right now, we are at the daily 5 EMA and at the daily 8 EMA. They're right below us, so it can make things a little bit more difficult, and we're pretty close to the hourly 3rd ATR. So at the moment, depending on how things shake out, I am honestly leaning for, since we are below the hourly 60, or sorry, the hourly 50 EMA and the 30-minute 21 EMA, what I would like to see is really just a rally up to these moving averages. That's what I'd like to see. And then get sell arrows right here, and then initiate a call credit spread. I'll probably do my drama-free version and just let it work that way. You do in the money, however you wish to do it, but that's where I'm going to initiate a bearish position. Now, what if I am wrong and price wishes to push back up? Well, what I would like to see from there is it would have to break through these moving averages, consolidate and get buy signals, and then look for the push through. But this this resistance right about 40.75-ish level is going to be a level worth watching as well. So be mindful if you have this set up, be mindful of the dots and arrows and where you're going to take profits. But for me, what I would like to see overall is a rally up to these moving averages, sell arrows, and take it back down. And you can see how we're getting sell arrows over here on the 30-minute chart for these larger time frames as well. So we'll have multi-time frame alignment. So I would like I said, we're at the moving averages, maybe a quick flush lower, move back up, consolidate for a minute, arrow, hit that call credit spread and let it ride. But that's my plan. Like I said, one more time, rally up to the 30-minute 21 EMA, hourly 60, or sorry, the hourly 50 EMA, and initiate a call credit spread based on sell arrows if they appear after the ISM numbers, which is 30 minutes after the open. So that's my plan for today, the plan of attack, if you will. But I hope everyone has an awesome day, and be patient, have your plan, and honor your trade setups. Take care, everybody.